Congratulations on taking the next step towards a better life. Make sure that you view the video to the very end where I'll discuss what it is that you'll be doing and how you'll get paid. Also, at the end of the video is a short form for you to fill out. This will be your opportunity to tell us how to proceed with you. So if you express an interest, we'll put you at the very top of our priority list and give you a call back. So, the company is called Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated. We're a 36-year-old publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange. We've been featured in just about every major business journal out there, from Barron's, Fortune's, Forbes, Businessweek, Newsweek, The Wall Street Journal, Success Magazine, Success from Home, and many others. But most recently, we were featured in Forbes magazine, again, as one of the 200 best small companies in America. So you can feel good about knowing that you'll be working with a very reputable company. The reason we've captured the interest of so many in the business community is because of our impressive track record. We've had 14 years of record-breaking growth, finishing last year with a record of nearly $500 million in revenues. That's billion with a B. We've done well over the years, even through recessions, because of the need for our services. We have services that everyone needs, can afford, and virtually no competition. So for the next few minutes, I'll highlight those services briefly, because if you don't see the value in our services, the odds are you won't make much money representing our company. On the other hand, if you do see the value in our services, you'll have a much greater chance of success. Though we offer several valuable services, I'll cover our two most popular plans, our Life Events Legal Plan and our Identity Theft Shield. With our Life Events Legal Plan, you'll have unlimited access to the best attorneys in the country for a very small monthly fee. Think about this for a minute. Have you ever been overcharged for a repair, ripped off, or treated unfairly? Have you ever wanted to know if you were right or wrong, or just wanted to know what your rights were on a given situation? Our members are entitled to phone consultation on unlimited number of issues. Imagine being able to pick up the phone, talk to an attorney as often as you need to, talk as long as you need to, on as many different issues that creep up in your life. And if your attorney feels that writing a letter or making a phone call on your behalf will better your situation, they'll do so as a part of your membership. One letter or phone call per issue on unlimited number of personal issues, and they'll even write one letter per year for your business. Have you ever signed something you wished you wouldn't have, like a cell phone or car purchase agreement, a gym membership or credit card application? As a prepaid legal member, you can have an attorney review all of your contracts and documents, up to 10 pages in length, included in the membership. 75% of Americans don't have an updated will. Are you one of them? Depending on where you live, wills can cost as much as $1,000. And that's why most people don't have them. Most families don't have an extra $1,000 laying around the house. As a prepaid legal member, you can have your will done and updated every year you remain a member at no additional charge. Wouldn't it be nice to just get that done and not have to worry about it anymore? As a prepaid legal member, you'll have access to all of these and many, many more legal services that I didn't mention for a very small monthly fee. As you know, identity theft is sweeping North America. Everybody knows about it. Most people fear it, but very few know what to do about it. As a member of our Identity Theft Shield, you and your spouse or significant other will have access to your credit reports as well as your credit score. We'll monitor your credit files on a daily basis and notify you should something look suspicious. And if your identity is stolen, you'll be assigned a licensed investigator who will assist you every step of the way in an attempt to put your life back together the way it was before the thief took over. We're the only company in North America that can assist you before, during, and after an identity theft crisis, and we're the only company that can help you with all 5 types of ID theft, including financial, character, medical, social security, and driver's license identity theft. Furthermore, our Identity Theft Shield is the only service that is connected to a prepaid legal membership because, let's face it, if you have an identity theft issue, you also have a legal issue. If our Life Events Legal Plan and Identity Theft Shield were a total of $100 a month, I think we can agree it would be a great deal, but it wouldn't be a good budget. It would compete with our cable bill, and we wouldn't want to do that. At $50 a month, this would be a no-brainer for most people, but still $50 is a lot of money. So for $35.95 a month to month, with no long-term commitment, you can have access to both of these services and put an umbrella of protection around you and your family. Unlike many of the other work-from-home opportunities, we're not trying to push high-priced lotions, potions, and pills on our friends, family, and neighbors that you can get at Walmart at a fraction of the cost. This is precisely why so many people have done so well marketing prepaid legal, because we get paid real money for sharing real services, the likes of which are not available anywhere else. Now, should we feel that you're a good match for our company, what you'll actually be doing is simple. You simply put people in front of this information. That's it. If they buy our services from you, you get paid. It's that simple. If you can get people to watch this video or one like it, you can succeed at this business. It's pretty simple. Now let's talk about how you get paid. If you are in real estate, would you want to be a broker or an agent? A broker, right? Why? Because they make more money. And if you were a broker, how many agents would you want? As many as you can get, right? Why? Because in real estate, every time an agent moves a home, the agent makes money. But the broker also makes money. The money the broker gets is called an override, and our compensation plan works in a similar way. Every time you share our membership and collect $35.95 plus a one-time $10 enrollment fee and send it to the company, you can earn as much as $34 all the way up to $252. As an illustration, let's say that you're somewhere in the middle of our compensation plan, and all you want to do is market 10 memberships a month, part-time. That's as much as $1,700 a month, which could be more than $20,000 a year on a part-time basis. Now, if you want to be the equivalent of a broker, you can earn money from the efforts of your team, just like in real estate. Your overrides can range from $34 all the way up to $182 when someone on your team shares a membership. Again, let's say you're not at the top and you're not at the bottom, but somewhere in the middle. And let's say, as an example, your team produced just 10 memberships a week. Your override is as much as $103 per membership times 10 memberships, which is more than $1,000 a week in overrides. $1,000 a week times 52 weeks in a year is more than $52,000. Again, working very part-time. Add the $52,000 a year to the $20,000 that you earn from your own efforts, and you can see how you can generate a very respectable part or full-time income. And that's based upon you and your team just doing 10. What if you did 20, 30, 300, 1,000 or more? You can do the math and see how in 2007, approximately every 12 days, a new family or individual started earning a six-figure income working with our company. Now, of course, your results may vary, but with the economy getting softer and softer, where else can you earn this type of income? And we'll pay you daily, every day, Monday through Friday. Imagine submitting a membership on Monday morning and getting paid as early as Tuesday. Not to mention, you can qualify to earn up to $500 a month in car bonuses, as well as all expense-paid trips to exotic locations of the world such as Cancun, the Bahamas, the Dominican Republic, and others. Now, as good as everything sounds so far, it actually gets better. You couldn't be starting at a better time. History shows that when a new industry hits 2% market penetration, critical mass is achieved. Critical mass looks like this. It's when an idea goes from obscurity, nobody knows what you're talking about, to mainstream, a household name in a very short period of time. We've used the example of health insurance. In 1953, most people thought it was a dumb idea. Today, we'll put you in the Oval Office or keep you out based upon your policy on health care. In 1953, healthcare was created, and it took 10 years to find just 2% of the population to get it. But after that, it only took 7 years to reach a full 52% market penetration. Right now, prepaid legal is at about 2% nationwide. When do you want to position yourself to profit? Here, when everybody thinks you're crazy? Or here, where everybody already has it, or at least has heard about it? Or do you want to get started right now at the beginning stages of critical mass? Now is the time to join Prepaid Legal Services. We have a 36-year-old New York Stock Exchange company. We have a service that everyone needs and most can afford with virtually no competition. We pay every day, Monday through Friday, and we're poised for explosive growth. Now, in just a moment, a form will come up on your computer screen. If you want to start getting paid daily and stabilize yourself in an unstable economy, fill out the form completely so that we'll know how to proceed with you. If you express a high level of interest, we'll put you on the top of our priority list and give you a call right away. And we'll introduce you to one or more of your field trainers and perhaps even your success coach. If you're not interested in working with us, please let us know that too, and we'll gladly scratch your name off our list and wish you luck. Thanks again for your interest, and please complete the form. Here it comes.